Okay guys, just going to change the cabin air filter in the 2008 Lexus ES350. It's really simple. It's in the glove box or behind in the back of the glove box. And you'll see this little cover that just pops up. You got to get your nails against that lip kind of and pop it upward like this. Let's see, on both sides. You'll see it. And then it just falls out. But just so you can see how it works, these little nubbies on the end on each side, they fit into here and drop down, and then you got to kind of manipulate the center tab so that it locks in. I found this one off when I got in here. The car was previously owned by my father-in-law, but must have just fell off. It's not really in there great. And then this cover is easy. This just tabs off each side. You can see the up arrow, that's the airflow direction, so keep that in mind. And I already took the filter out of this one, so here's my old filter. You can see all the debris sitting on top, maybe. Yeah. And you see the ribs are going that way, and the arrow was pointing up, which is correct. Okay, so this new one, which I'll put a link down below, looks like a pretty nice filter. Here's the filter. And it is got the carbon in it. It's a good price. The ribs are going a different direction in this one, but no big deal. So what we'll do is check the airflow arrow, which is up, just like the cover said, and the other one was, and I verified it as well. And then this one will just slide right in there. It's that simple. Oops, I had it out of screen, sorry. It's that simple, just slide it in, arrows in the correct direction, and then put your little thing on. See the arrow says up. Snaps in both sides. That simple. And again, this cover is put in there with it being on the high side, so you can get these little end tab things in right here, and the other end tab up high, and then you pop it downward. And if this thing gives you trouble, it's the center one hanging up. So there you go, that's actually in. Okay, so you can just check your little tabbies, and she's in all the way, and it's flush down here. So that's it. All right, I hope that helps you guys. Appreciate any likes and subscribes. Again, the link to the filter will be down below. And let me just see if I have the box number here, or box information. There it is. If you need that, you can freeze frame it. Oops, if you can see that. Sorry, I'm not stable. There we go. Talk to you guys later.